Hello everyone, my name is Arya and today I'm in old Baku and I'm just standing right in front of Shah Palace. I love Old Town in Baku and it's a beautiful day today. Today we are going to go to Miniature Book Museum. Let's go! The museum is close to the palace. So here we are at Miniature Book Museum. In Azerbaijani, we call it Miniature Kitab Museum. And guess what? Kitab is a common word in Azerbaijan and India. Let's go in. This museum has the world's smallest books. This museum has been established on 2nd April 2002. This is the only miniature book museum in the world. Ooh, here are some books that I can read. And guess what? These are magnets. Let's see. A daughter is a sunshine that lights up her parents' lives. Very interesting. Magnet books. This museum has over 6,500 miniature books from 64 countries. This museum includes work from various genres and languages, like Russian, Italian, English, Azerbaijani, Arabic, Turkish, German, Japanese, Chinese, and many more. This is such an amazing work. Miniature Bible is also here. They also have Sri Hanuman Chalisa from Hindu mythology. A small book Moy Baku. A huge collection of William Shakespeare books, like Romeo and Juliet, Hamlet. It is very interesting to see all these miniature books. Julius and Caesar by William Shakespeare. Wow, so nice. I really want to read these books one day. Look at these, they're so small. You can only read these books with the help of a magnifying glass. Check the size, it's so tiny. I'm trying to check their size. It's so tiny. There are lots of kids' miniature storybooks as well. I really want to read them, but unfortunately it's a museum, so I can't take them out of the shelves. I really liked this museum. I hope you liked Miniature Book Museum. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye.